Are you a man over 50 who's noticing that your morning erections aren't what they used to be? You wake up, and instead of that rock-hard morning wood, you might get a soft, wilted, or even no erection at all. It seems to happen more and more often, making you wonder what's going on. Is this normal? Should you be worried? What can you do about it? Well, this is actually very common, and there's a lot you can do about it. So stay tuned. I'm going to reveal why morning wood fades after 50 and how to restore stronger, firmer morning erections naturally. You see, most guys don't realize that morning wood is more than just a bedroom perk. It's actually a powerful health signal for men of all ages. Think of your morning wood as the windshield wipers of your manhood. Just like windshield wipers, keep clearing away what has in your way so you can see the road ahead. Morning erections clear away the obstacles in your arteries, allowing better blood flow for peak performance in the bedroom and throughout your whole body. So let me explain. When you wake up with a morning erection, you're essentially seeing the condition of your blood vessels, nerves, and hormones. Here's why. First, consider how you wake up. Typically, we go through several sleep cycles throughout the night. During these cycles, our bodies do critical repair work, building new proteins, repairing arteries, restoring nerve sensitivity, releasing hormones, etc. This includes producing testosterone, the primary male sex hormone responsible for your sex drive, muscle mass, bone density, and many other functions. So when you wake up, especially in the morning, your body should have built up a nice reservoir of available testosterone, and your arteries should be repaired and ready to deliver that testosterone and oxygen-rich blood to the muscles and organs throughout your body. And if all this happens properly, you'll likely wake up with a morning erection. However, as men age over 50, 3 key factors often begin to decline: arterial flexibility, hormone levels, and nerve sensitivity. These declines result in less robust morning erections that signal underlying health issues. For example, if you frequently wake up with a small or wilted morning wood, it could indicate arterial stiffness, which raises your risk for heart attack or stroke. Low testosterone levels can cause decreased libido, fatigue, weight gain, and other problems. And poor nerve sensitivity leads to weaker ejaculation and other issues. So when you think about having a morning erection, it's important to realize that it's a reflection of your overall health. Firm morning erections indicate healthy blood vessels, hormones, and nerves, while less robust erections can signal potential issues that need attention. Now, the good news is that you can take immediate action to improve your morning wood by targeting these 3 key areas: better blood flow, higher testosterone levels, and restored nerve sensitivity. And you do this by implementing simple lifestyle changes, starting with a nighttime drink that's easy to make and highly effective. Let me show you how. This drink uses 4 key ingredients that work synergistically to expand your blood vessels, boost testosterone production, and restore nerve sensitivity. First, warm water, which aids circulation and helps open blood vessels. Second, fresh lemon juice, which is rich in vitamin C and supports nitric oxide production for better blood vessel relaxation. Third, beetroot powder, which supplies natural nitrates that convert to nitric oxide overnight. And fourth, a touch of honey, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels, supporting steady testosterone production throughout the night. These ingredients combine to promote better blood flow, hormone balance, and nerve function, all of which contribute to stronger, firmer morning erections. To make the drink, start with 1 cup of warm, not boiling water. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into the water, including the pulp. Add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder and stir until fully blended. You can also add half a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Drink this mixture about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. This allows the liquid to digest and the ingredients to start working their magic overnight. In addition to this drink, here are some additional habits that will maximize your results. First, take a 10 to 15-minute walk after dinner or before bed. Exercise like this helps circulate nitrates from your bloodstream to your muscles and tissues, promoting better blood flow and enhanced erectile function. Second, prioritize deep, uninterrupted sleep. Sleep is when testosterone peaks and arteries relax, facilitating strong morning erections. Try to avoid late-night screen time, which emits blue light that suppresses melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep cycles. By maintaining consistent sleep patterns, you'll allow your body to produce and utilize testosterone more effectively, leading to improved morning wood. And third, limit or eliminate alcohol consumption before bed. Alcohol dehydrates the body, reduces testosterone levels, and blocks nervous system signals needed for erections. Replace alcohol with this natural circulation booster, and you'll notice a big difference. By committing to this simple routine, you'll soon see improvements in your morning erections and overall health. However, there are a few critical points you need to know about expectations and consistency. Keep in mind that achieving noticeable results with this plan takes consistency. Don't expect dramatic changes overnight. In fact, the first night you use this drink, you probably won't notice much difference. It's like jump-starting a car. A single drink won't transform your overall health. But after 1 week of use, you may notice your morning erections become slightly firmer. After 1 month of consistent use, morning wood will become more frequent, reliable, and stronger. This is when you'll truly gauge the benefits of the routine. It takes time to rebuild arterial health and restore hormonal balance, but the results are well worth the effort. I want to emphasize that while this routine is highly effective, it's important to manage your expectations. Some men might see dramatic improvements, waking up with firm morning erections daily. Others may experience milder effects, noticing better blood flow and increased sensitivity, which can still enhance sexual pleasure, even if erections aren't rock hard. Consistency is key. Stick with the plan for at least a month to assess its impact on your morning wood and general health. If you decide to discontinue the routine, your morning erections may revert to their previous state. That's why it's crucial to commit to the plan for optimal results. Give it at least a month to see the full effects, but if after 2 months you still don't notice significant improvements, try consulting a urologist or healthcare professional. They can conduct tests to determine if there are other underlying issues that might benefit from medical intervention. Remember, this approach targets the root causes of reduced morning erections, namely blood flow, hormones, and nerves. However, there may be rare cases where medical assistance is necessary. Now I'd like to address a critical mistake that many men make: drinking alcohol before bed. This habit can significantly impair your morning erections. Alcohol dehydrates the body, reducing blood volume and making it harder for the heart to pump blood effectively. It also lowers testosterone levels and interferes with the nervous system signals needed for erections. Many men turn to alcohol to relax and sleep, but this can disrupt the delicate hormonal balance required for restorative sleep and healthy blood flow. Instead, replace alcohol with this potent circulation-boosting drink before bed. You'll soon notice the difference in your energy levels, hormonal balance, and of course, morning erections. To help you track your progress, let me ask you a question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how many times per week do you currently have morning erections? Please share your experience in the comments section below. This will help others understand they are not alone and give them hope that this routine can also help them. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe and stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. I look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon.